Hey, what's going on with you guys, man? It's your boy Brandon, aka Be the Marketing Dude. And I just wanted to cut this quick video for you because you're on this video right now because you want to learn how to make $100 to $300 a day posting simple ads on social media. And so I want to give you guys my vision real quick because I've been online. Let me move this chair. I've been online for about four years, maybe a little over 4 years, right? And so when I first got online, I didn't have a lot of mentorship. I didn't have people that were gonna show me how to actually market online the correct way to attract people. I didn't have an automated system like you guys may have in a little bit once you decide to lock arms with me. I didn't have those things. And so for me, I had to go through the school of hard knocks. I had to try a lot of things, right? I'm talking about I tried to run Google ads and got my Google ads account banned because I didn't understand how to do it. I tried to run Facebook ads and got my Facebook ads account banned, right? Because I didn't know how to do it and didn't have anybody to direct me to the right way, right? And so maybe you guys are going through the same thing where you're in a business right now, or maybe you're not in a business. Maybe you're just like, I'm sick and tired of my job and I'm looking for an easy way that I can make an extra income. And if I can make $50 to $100 extra a day, that'll help me not worry about my job, right? And so I want to kind of give you guys a blueprint. So this is what you're going to get, right, once you join and lock arms with us, because on the next page, we're going to explain to you about the opportunity, but I want to let you guys know what you're going to get, right? And so once you watch the video on the next page, it's going to give you 3 options to lock arms with me. Right? The first option is going to be the $25 option. Yes, there's an investment. You got to invest in your education and you got to invest in tools and resources in order to create an income online, right? And so on the $25 level, you're going to get basic marketing training. You're going to learn how to post ads on Craigslist. You're going to learn how to post ads on Facebook and Facebook groups. We're gonna give you ads that you can post, so it's not like you have to create them and do all of this guesswork. So we're gonna give you ads that have been proven to work, right? So I just want to give you guys that game, right? On second level that you're gonna be able to join, right, is gonna be our elite or pro level. So I'll say elite. I think it's elite. I can't remember. I'm gonna have to look at it again. So elite. We'll just say elite level for now, right? And so elite level, you're gonna get more training. You're gonna get, training on Instagram. You're gonna get, I believe, YouTube training so you can understand how to use YouTube to rank videos and sell pretty much anything that you wanna sell, right? And so on the $100 level, this is the last level. This is, let's call it the pro level. You're gonna get everything in these two, plus you're gonna get our closing strategy on how we're closing people on Facebook and creating an income every single day. Just posting ads on Facebook, right? I mean, really simple and easy process. Of course, the $100 level is recommended. If the $100 level is the one that you decide to join, you actually can get paid on the 50 and the 25. If you join the 50, you only get paid on the 50 and the 25. If you only join the 25, you only can get paid on the 25. So I advise you guys to get into the 100 so you can get all of the training and you can leverage yourself to make $100 commissions every single day, right? That's what you really want to do, right? And so you guys, my vision, like I said, is to give you guys the skill set to not only create an income and make payday every day, but to use this skill set so we can then go into different avenues, right? I don't want to just get your money and then disappear on you. I want us to build and create an income together. So now we can go into different avenues, right? So now if you want to go into travel and we want to travel the world together, right? Money's not an option. We know how to get it. These are one-time investments. So guess what? You join us, get this digital product one time, and you can make an income for a lifetime, right? This is unlike any other business opportunity that I've seen online. Most of them, you're gonna have to pay a monthly fee, and sometimes they don't give enough information to give you the skill set needed to push forward and to push forward and actually start getting sales, right? So what we're gonna do for you is not only give you the training, but we're gonna give you the system, we're gonna give you the websites needed so you don't have to do all of the selling and telling, right? So like I said, vision-wise, we're gonna go forward, we're gonna learn how to compound money. So I'm just gonna plant that seed for you guys right now. We're gonna learn how to compound money. And this is just the beginning stages of learning how to compound money using digital real estate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was valuable for you. I really want to show you guys how I've been using Instagram and Facebook to create income online, as well as YouTube. So look, check out the next page. On the next page, I'm going to introduce you to a girl by the name of Adriana, right? She's actually the one who introduced me to this program. And she was making a killing. I was like, you know what, I'm very interested in this training. I want to see if it's something that not only that I can use, but if it's simple enough for somebody new to making money online to use as well. So that being said, man, I hope you guys have a blessed one, and I will see you guys on the inside.